Good morning, welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. I am JB. Today guys, we're going to take a look at Polkadot on the 1 hour, the 1 day and the 1 week timeframes, look at what has happened and what may be happening next for DOT. If you do like the video today guys, give us a like, subscribe, tap on the bell selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video coming to you from Cheeky Crypto. It really does help out the channel. Let's get straight onto the charts for Polkadot for today. Starting off here on the 1 hour chart, Polkadot paired up with USDT, Binance being the data source for this 1 hour chart. Now if you've been following some of the 5 altcoins to trade videos, we were looking at a potential push for Polkadot round about this lower area down here. We were potentially targeting a move up to around about $4.20 to $4.34. It seems a bit hard to get there now looking at the moves that have played out, but we know what this week has been like. Nothing is impossible. Starting off looking at this through the lens of smart money concepts, we can see we have had a bullish change of character in the price action. We have also showing we're also showing a week high on the charts, expecting this to be pushed on through. We do still have the strong low sitting down here, also not expecting to be broken. We can take an acknowledgement right on here. We have seen the 50 EMA cross the 200 EMA here on the 1 hour chart, which is obviously yet again a bullish sign, and we are trading well above the 1 hour equilibrium, expecting price to continue to push to the upside. However, we can see the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 8 hour and the 1 day stochastics are all overbought, expecting a push to the downside to come. However, I think we could see this one correct. Cool off just a little bit before another push to the upside. Minimum expectation for this C wave comes right on up here at $4.22.5. This being a double top situation, this is the minimum expectation for the C wave to push to the upside. If I could grab the correct part, here we go. For this C wave, its minimum expectations to push up to $4.22. Obviously, we are looking for it to push up to this area between $4.26 and $4.34. It's going to take a little bit of time yet, but we can take acknowledgement here. We have seen quite a good move to the upside so far, starting off from Monday last week. So over 1 week, we have seen this price appreciation for Polkadot. What have we done overall? 5.35%. Fantastic to see. You love to see these pushes to the upside, guys, especially if you're all on the right side of the trades. Again, if we did follow that altcoin video, you'd be in a really good, healthy position right now. Excuse me. So we can see we are pushing up quite hard here for Polkadot, but we have to also take acknowledgement, guys. We are starting to stack up these fair value gaps all the way down here on the charts. We do expect these to be filled back out at some point. We can see the fair value gaps that were stacked up on this push to the upside, and this one here have also been previously filled out. Perhaps a continued push, maybe a double top situation here for Polkadot. Then I expect this to break on to the downside to align with the stochastics being overbought from the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 8 hour and the 1 day chart. Everything is looking pretty decent here for Polkadot. Perhaps a cooling off period before a continued push to the upside. That's I do apologise for the cough, bit of a hoarse throat this morning. So yeah, I do expect a continued push to the upside, then a breakdown after a cooling off here on the 1 hour charts. We do have the weekly close today, so I expect a bit of a volatile end to this Sunday in the charts. What we can do, guys, we'll jump up onto the 1 day chart and have a look at what's actually happened with Polkadot recently. Well, we are monitoring this C wave to the downside right over here. Sorry, this X wave to the downside right over here. Do apologise, guys, it's very early over here. Overall, we are targeting a move down to $3.39 to $1.45 on the Binance chart as a Z wave in this bear market. We can appreciate there's a fair value gap sat right here from August 2020 between $3.70 and $3.90. A very good looking place to see Polkadot go down to. We've not touched into it yet, but I do believe we will see the price come down here. Again, appreciating the position that stochastics are in, heavily overbought, looking for that correction to the downside. We have continuously been testing the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. Couple of pushes above this one, but nothing really to fill us with any confidence. The 200 EMA has sat pretty much well above the charts, the price on the charts all the way since the 6th of January 2022. So it's been an incredibly bearish time for the price of Polkadot, where we can appreciate what has actually happened. The move to the downside, let's grab onto the correct wick here. It's been quite a fair drop. We've obviously seen a new bear market low coming for Polkadot. We can see the price is down 92.5% from its all-time high. What fantastic times to be accumulating your positions in these projects. I know for one that Chris is very big on Polkadot. He's done a fantastic review on Polkadot. He expects it to do very well, as do I. So we can target out this move, guys. The Z wave, $3.39 down to $1.45. I think this is very much a realistic target for the bear market for Polkadot. Perhaps not the $1.45. I think that's too much hopium to get there. But the $3.39, we're not overly far from there, so I do think we will be seeing those kind of prices. If we take a look at these moves in this Z wave, it has to be corrective. The corrective patterns can have impulsive moves internally on L8 wave theory, but overall they have to be corrective moves. So what we can see is we have completed an ABC internally right in here, with the A wave, the B wave and the C wave coming on right here. We grab onto the correct one, not surpassing the 1.236, so a nice resting area for that C wave. Again, back to smart money concepts, you can see we've had a continuation of the structure to the downside twice in a row here. It's labelled up as a BOS, a break of structure, however it is a continuation of the pattern, and we obviously see the previous one coming all the way back here from October 2022. The price has continued to break down for Polkadot, and I expect it to do so yet again. We will see another break of structure crossing lower than the bear market low over here at $3.90.8. Obviously a new bear market low set on September 11th 2023. Fantastic to see these prices coming down, because it means we can fill our bags, we can get better positions within Polkadot. I will be doing so personally. I think it's a fantastic project. So we've had this initial drop to the downside, this ABC, and we've seen a correction to the upside. So the easiest way we can look at this is an expected one-to-one retracement, or we can expect somewhere close to a one-to-one retracement of this initial move to the downside, which could bring us into $3.06. If we could bring on the correct box, geez, $3.06.3 to $2.63.8. The potential bottom for Polkadot, bringing us in here as an A, B and C structure within this Z wave. Fantastic prices for Polkadot, I'm sure you will agree. $3.06 to $2.63. Let us know, guys, in the comments down below if you will be accumulating positions in Polkadot. So what we will do is jump over quickly to memberships.cheekycrypto.io. I do encourage you guys to go over and check out a fantastic website being put together here. There is a 7-day free trial on all plans. Go over and check it out. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. A whole host of things going on here. Obviously we do have our private Discord. It is linked in the description down below. Private chat rooms within there, but depending on the tiers that you enter in at. Live AMAs twice weekly with Nick and Chris. There's also twice weekly live TA sessions with myself and Festoon. They've been fantastic recently. They've been very enjoyable. We also have TA on request on the 1 hour, the 4 hour and the 1 day charts. TradeBot generating ideas from this chart. A whole host of other things going on here. Access to private sales of new projects, getting in there at seed round. Fantastic things going on. Learning L8 wave theory, smart money concepts, how to build a portfolio and manage risk within the space. Articles on on the news, airdrops and project reviews. Well over 250 projects now reviewed in the space. The accumulation zones, where we are targeting projects to go in this bear market, and obviously the fantastic data portal, watching all projects that we are covering on chain. Fantastic to see, with many more to be added. Not many places you can see this much data for the on-chain analytics of projects and exchanges. 7-day free trial, memberships.cheekycrypto.io. Go over and check it out. You will not be disappointed, guys. So we've done the 1 hour, we have done the 1 day. Let's jump over to the 1 week chart. Where do we think bear market low is going to be for Polkadot? Well, previous chart, we can see we are targeting potential $3.06 to $2.63. What we can do here is we'll put this one here also on the chart to $3.06 to $2.63. It gives us this potential bottom for Polkadot. What we can take acknowledgement of right over here is between $4.01, $4.01 and $3.53 is an area of previous support for Polkadot on this upper line, on this lower line. Over here, there's not much price history for Polkadot, so we can use this one for this move. So we are testing this upper area here on the upper line at $4.001. We can see this is acting again as support, but I expect this one to break on down. This may turn into resistance and we push down further into this area. But through the lens of smart money concepts, this is the discount zone. Buying Polkadot at these prices is a fantastic opportunity. Let us know in the comments down below, guys. Have you filled your bags for Polkadot yet, or are you still to do so? Are you expecting lower prices to come? Now on to the fun part. What can Polkadot do in the next bull market? I do think it has the potential to go on phenomenally well. If we do consider this move to the upside being the A wave, we obviously look to come down here in the B wave. For now, we will take it on to this lower area of support and resistance, and we can target out the next move to the upside. So let's say a hypothetical $3.53 bottom for Polkadot in this bear market. What could we see in the bull run? We would have to consider a 1-to-1 retracement of the A wave as our initial move to the upside. Let's bring on our fibs so we can bring on some key levels. And we can take a look at the 1-to-1 $97, the 1.236 to $213. Are these potential opportunities for Polkadot to get up to? I do believe so. I think it has got the power behind it to push these kind of levels. Granted, it perhaps might not be a 100x project, but I do think it has potential to at least 50x. So if we do take this kind of move to the upside, what could we see? 50x for Polkadot, you're talking $183 there or thereabouts. I do think it has the potential to see these kind of numbers. It is a fantastic project, and I do think it will do well. But guys, you let us know your comments, your opinion in the comments down below. Where do you see Polkadot going in the next bull run? A double top scenario is a 1400% push to the upside. I don't think that's enough. I think we need to go higher. The 882 is a 1760 push to the upside. I don't think that's enough. I think it needs to go higher. The 1-to-1 we can appreciate is around about a 2,500 gain, 25x. Fantastic. It would be fantastic to see. Does it have the potential though to 50x, bringing us in around about the $160, $180 area? I do firmly believe it has the potential to do so. Whether or not it is in the next bull run, hard to say, but I do think it is a 50x potential project. But your opinion is the important one, guys. Do let us know in the comments of this video down below. It does mean a lot, and we do read many comments, if not all comments, and take on board what you guys think about projects. The more you guys talk about projects, the more you comment on them, the more we will cover them on the channel. We will wrap that one up there today though, guys. Again, please give us a like, subscribe, tapping on the bell, selecting all notifications so we get these videos out to as many like-minded people in the space as possible. It really does help the channel out. If you guys are going to trade, please do trade safely. Have a nice tight stop loss, make some great gains, staying safe in the space, and until next time guys, have a nice day.